Hi, 2-3. So for writing today, we are finishing up our expository essay. Today is the last day. We are doing our conclusion. So just to recap, we had our introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and now we are on to the conclusion. And we know that when we write our conclusion, we are wrapping it up. We're making sure that we're making it clear to our reader that we're ending, and it's short and sweet and to the point, okay? So first things first, you're going to read your instructions, you're going to watch this video. Then something important, you need to go back to your classwork for your body paragraph 1 and 2 graphic organizers and read your reasons that you chose about your favorite animal, because you need those reasons to put into your conclusion. So it's very important that you go back to these body paragraphs to make sure that you're using the same reasons. You're not going to choose new reasons and talk about them in your conclusion. So I just want to make that clear that you have to go back to your classwork for your body paragraph 1 organizer and 2 to look at those reasons. Then once you did that, you're going to complete your conclusion organizer, okay? So I'm going to come right into it. So remember, you already know that our conclusion is very short and to the point. That's what it's supposed to be. So the very first thing after you type your name and date is you're going to come here and we have to restate our thesis, which was our answer to our prompt that we talked about in our intro. And then we need to put our 2 reasons, which is where you're getting them from your body paragraphs. So here's your sentence starter. In conclusion, a blank is my favorite animal. So again, this animal is the same animal you've talked about since your introduction. It's not changing, okay? So a bear is my favorite animal because whatever you said was your first reason in body paragraph 1, and then whatever you said was your second reason in body paragraph 2. These are not new reasons. These are the same reasons from your previous paragraphs. So please make sure that you remember that. And you're not giving me 15 new reasons. We're saying it short and to the point, okay? So that's all you're putting here. Then you're going to go right here and you're going to finish with one more sentence. In this is your interesting sentence / personality, just like we did in your introduction, okay? You're going to end with a very interesting sentence, some personality thrown in there about your animal. It's only one sentence, and it cannot be the same thing you talked about in the introduction, okay? So for example, if you put in your introduction that your favorite animal was a panda, and you said a panda is as soft and cuddly as a blanket. You cannot say that here because you already used that. You have to come up with a new, interesting, some kind of new personality sentence that's going to end it. It has to be strong because it's ending your essay. This is the last sentence of your entire essay, okay? So that's what's going to go here. Down here is my model about the role model for my conclusion. So I started with in conclusion, because that's our sentence starter. My mom is my role model. That's my thesis, because she is the hardest worker I know and always thinks of other people. So remember, my 2 things, my reasons were that my mom was hardworking and she was thoughtful. So we talked about this in class, how I chose not to use those same words because I wanted to change it up a little bit. But remember, I told you, you can use the same wording that you chose for your reasons. If you want to try to change your wording around a little bit, you can, but it was easier for a lot of you to just keep the same wording, and that's more than okay. Then you're going to end with the personality. So I ended with, my mom is a true angel. Okay, that was my last sentence. Again, short, to the point, stays on topic. That's what a conclusion is supposed to do. So use this to guide you, okay? So this is all you're doing today. You're wrapping up your essay. You're finishing out your essay. Use your sentence starters to help you. Go back to your other paragraphs. If you have any questions, let me know.